Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to remove admin access from Facebook page. It's very easy, so let's get started. So if you give someone admin access on your page or admin role on your page and you have decided to remove that user, it's very easy. So let's see how to do it. First step you want to take is, of course, open your Facebook app and log into your account. Next thing you want to do is to click on the menu icon at the top right corner of your screen. After that, you just have to scroll down and click on pages. Once you do that, you have to select the page that you want to do this on. So click on the switch button to switch to the page, and once you have switched to the page, the next thing you have to do now is to click on the menu icon at the top right corner. Next, you have to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Click on settings, and then you have to scroll down until you see page setup right here. Click on that. Then you find all these options right here. Select page access. Once that is selected, you're going to find people who have access to this Facebook page. So if you want to remove admin access, you just have to first of all select the user by clicking on the three dots close to the user. So once you click on that, you may want to click on the view access to see the access that was given to this person, like probably admin or moderator. So if that is checked, the next thing you want to do is to now remove from the page. So click on the remove from the page option, and then just go ahead and enter your password and confirm that by clicking on the confirm button. So that's it guys on how to remove admin access from a Facebook page. Hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.